Alright, here's how you reassemble this puzzle. First you want to start with these. Take both of these identical pieces and place them in these large end pieces. Once those are together, bring those halves together. Now you want to take these pieces, put them with the top side facing upward, and you want to do that on both sides. Okay, so now you've got that right there. Next, go ahead and take this piece, put it right there. Then take this piece, slide it on top here. Now you want to make sure that's seated down. Okay. Once that piece is in, we can go ahead and take one of these, insert it right here, and close that up. Okay, let's go ahead and push the top down here. Okay, now you take this piece, put it right here. Okay, so now what we have left is this. Go ahead and take this, make a little crossbow like that, and that fits in right there. Okay, hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.